Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to do a breakdance spin using an easy method. First, focus on building core strength and flexibility. These are crucial for maintaining control and preventing injury. Next, practice getting comfortable in a stable handstand or headstand. This foundational step helps you understand weight distribution. Finally, work on smoothly shifting your weight from your hands or head to your back, preparing for the spin. Now let's get into the spin itself. Begin from a low crouch, keeping your body compact. Use a powerful push-off from your legs to generate initial momentum. As you push, tuck your body in tightly, almost like a ball. This compact shape is essential for increasing your rotational speed and making the spin feel effortless. Remember, a good push sets up a great spin. To keep the spin going, maintain that tight, rounded body position. Think of yourself as a spinning top. Your arms can be used subtly to help control your balance and make minor adjustments. Try to keep your gaze focused on a single point, which can help prevent dizziness and maintain your orientation. Consistent body tension is key for a smooth, sustained rotation. When you're ready to exit the spin, gradually extend your limbs to slow down your rotation. This controlled extension helps you come to a gentle stop. Aim to land softly on your feet, maintaining your balance. Remember, practice is vital. Start on a smooth, safe surface like linoleum or cardboard and always prioritize safety. Enjoy mastering your breakdance spin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.